or the formats you are installing. And coming to the next part, installing of NPM, the Node Package Manager. NPM stands for Node Package Manager. What actually this Node Package Manager is, all the modules, because Node.js is not only for developing a particular things, it can support n number of services over there. Now on top of that Node.js, anything if you want, you can need to install that module. Once you install that module, that will be go in the NPM itself. So Node Package Manager, these are the sub things we need to learn in this topic. What are the Node package models? How we need to be understand the Node package registry, and using NPM, what we can do it, how to install the NPM models using package.json, how we can do it. Now coming to this one, NPM is a Node, the package modules, or using the Node package, you are going to be installing this Node package modules with the help of Node Package Manager. So in Manager part, we have going to installing modules. So NPM stands two things over here. The one thing is here as modules, the Node.js world as NPM stands for two things. This is for our course, that is full stack development, and also the Node package modules as modules. Remember that one. NPM stands for the two things over here. NPM we are going to using to install the modules, whichever we want. Now coming to the modules, what are the modules are available? As time goes on, you can learn it. But what actually a Node package module means is a packaged library that can easily be shared, the methods, whatever available, the classes over there, shared, reuse, and install in different projects. Example of the module, example of the package is Mongoose. So to access the MongoDB, we need to be install Mongoose. And to access the Express, another module is there. Express extends more the nodes, HTTP capabilities, and so on. So all these modules, which is created by various third-party people, they are contributing. The freely they can contribute in like in the GitHub. Here also they are going to be contributing their modules and keep it in Node.js. Where it is available means all the modules which is contributed by different peoples like you, like other, they are making publish it, all the modules include in a package.json file. This package.json file includes two parts, two metadatas. One is informational and there is control. In the informational, we are having who developed that one, who contributed, and who is the name of the author, version author, contributors. And in the control metadata, what are the dependencies to run that particular model? Means one model is directly not just your hash include std.h or import java.io. Simply it's not like that in this models. Once you are going to be installing that model, the dependencies also available. What are the dependencies are available over there? The control metadata also available in this one. So that the Node Package Manager uses that performing such as installation and publishing. So this NPM uses to perform the actions, how to install that package and how to publish it. Now let me see how we need to be install and where we need to be publish it. Before going to that one, try to understand what is a registry over here. Registry is a location where any contributor, if you develop any model, who can be stored in registry. Now, how we can be do is like you are creating your own packages in Java, right? The same style, you can also develop your own packages and you can be import that packages in Node Package Registry in the location npmjs.com. Once you go to this one, npmjs.com, it look like this one. If you want any modules, you can search in this one, in this website, npmjs.com, search it. Or else you can sign up here and you can upload your module. As a contributor, you can upload it. Now, using NPM Manager, how we are installing this one is, in NPM, we can find which modules are available, we can install, we can remove the modules, we can publish the modules, which are related to one. Just NPM provides a link between the Node Package Registry and your development environment. Example, your development environment is Node.js and your package is available in Node Package Registry. To connect between these two, one, we are going to using Node Package Manager. So Node Package Manager will connect between the development environment as well as the Node Package Registry. Now, how to install any package means like this is a simple command, npm space command line options. Whatever the command line options here, This is to want to be search for a package. You want to install -g, remove, pack, view, publish, unpublish, owner. Like this, different command line options are available. You can use any part of this command line options. And how to install the node package modules? Just now I said you just use npm space install space module. In Python also you are installing packages, right? How to install the packages in Python is like pip space package name. Now here npm space install space module name. npm is the actual our node package manager, space install space the module name. So here example, I'm installing the express module, npm install express. Automatically once you install, it will show like this. If you want see the example, I'll just install it in our command line. See here, npm space install space express, enter. So once you enter this one, if it is connected with the internet, automatically it install the all the packages, all the sub things available in this express module. So once it is successfully installed, it will show you. If it is any error, it will show you. It's not any error, 0 vulnerabilities. 0 vulnerabilities, it will come. Found 0 vulnerabilities, 10 packages are looking for funding, run npm fund. So 97 packages in 23 seconds has installed. Clear? So that's how we can be install any module with the help of npm. Similarly, if you want any dependencies which can be handled that particular module, example, express module requires cookie 0.3.1. So, but another module may require cookie 0.3.0. So we have to make sure all the dependencies has to be installed properly or not. All the dependencies if installed properly, then only the actual module can work proper way, or else it will be very difficult to do that part. So see, is a root file. Again, in the root file, we have node modules. In the node modules, just now I have shown you, right? 3 folders, node and npm, node underscore modules. In node underscore modules, we have express. Again, in express, again, one more node underscore modules, because these are the dependencies. To run that one, again, we required cookie. Again, in that, we have one more folder, send. In the send, again, there is a node underscore modules, again, MIME. Like this, many dependencies are going to be involved. So using package.json format in the file root directory, it is a simple JSON text file that defines the module including dependencies. The package.json file can contain a number of directories, like just now has shown you, to tell the node package manager how to handle the module. Now, this is how the simple example, how the package.json format will look like. Package.json consisting of the name, version, the description of that particular module, dependencies, what are the dependencies to install this type of module, my underscore module is an example. It consisting which version, like different versions are come one after the other as a contributors are contributing one by one. What are the dependencies to run this one is express and latest. That is a express, under that we have a dependency called as latest. Like this, we are going to have the detailed information. And package.json also consisting some directories. The directory names like name, preferable global, version, author, description, contributors, bin, and maybe scripts. All such type of things are available. The directories. Directory means nothing but folders in that particular, like main, repository, keywords, the dependencies, engines, all together. And also it have some automatically dependencies are available. The dependencies name will be in the JSON format, like look like as a attribute followed by the names. How we are going to doing in the package.json format means with the help of object names, name of the object and value. And to install that npm, already just now I said you, npm space install. Notice that no module will be specified in the npm module. So we had to specify the module